I finally had the patience to make some ghee, and it's quite simple to prepare. All you need is dairy butter. You melt it in a pan on low heat, and while it's boiling a little bit on low heat, you take away the milk protein now and then with a spoon. I boiled my ghee for 15 minutes. It had a nice golden color, a nice flavor also. I drained it too and let it cool. It is important to simmer the ghee for a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes because the water and the milk proteins have to evaporate. A lot of people also simmer it for 45 minutes, but that's depending on the results you want. Depending on a milk allergy or a lactose intolerance, this might not be the recipe for you, so be careful. You see, it's pretty easy. And it saves me a lot of money, by the way, because the prices are crazy in the Netherlands. I will use ghee in some recipes soon. Thanks for watching. Please like this content in case you think it's worthwhile. It helps me to reach more people and to keep the content free. Thanks so much.